months ago when I asked my Instagram followers what are the main issues they face while decorating their rented apartment, and they told me we cannot paint our walls, we cannot drill holes in our walls, how can we decorate our home? That's what I'm answering today. Welcome, this is Disha and I'm here to help you transform your house into a home. Today's video is sponsored by PaperLam India and Handicart. Since we just crossed 25,000 subscribers, so in association with Handicart, I'm giving away 3 beautiful gifts: pair of red puppet, bamboo pen stand and paper mache glossy lamp to 3 of you. And for that you just need to hit that like button, leave me a comment, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Now let me announce the winner of previous videos giveaway. They are Rashmi Dhaka, who wins Gond painting, and Rubina Ali, who wins Madhubani painting. Congratulations to both of you. Please send me your shipping address as soon as possible. Either DM me on my Instagram or you can find my email ID in description box below. Now let's begin. Today I'll be talking only about wall decorating ideas, and I'll share different ideas from cheapest to a little higher on a budget so that there is something for everyone. And the first idea is the simplest and the cheapest one to add colors to your wall, and that is, these are washi tapes available on stationery and craft stores and available online too. And these are the posters that I have. First, place the poster and mark on wall. Now start sticking poster using washi tape like so. Remember, you can use only posters, postcards, art prints and greetings to stick on the walls using washi tape. Here is before and this one is after. With just $100 you can add a lovely pop of color to your walls. And removing washi tape is easy and it doesn't leave any mark on the wall. Wall decal is the next budget-friendly wall decorating option. See this chandelier wall decal that I have for past 3 years, and while painting this wall I had painted on this too, and later I just wiped it off with wet cloth and it still looks good. Decals come in numerous size, shape, colors and variety, and they are quite cheap too. You can change the look of your walls within $500. You can buy some of my favorite like these. I have added the links in description box below. Next is command hooks. Command hooks come in various sizes, like this white plastic one in medium size, which can hold up to 2.2 kg weight, and it is suitable for hanging picture frames. Putting it on the wall is quite easy, and removing it is also super easy, and it doesn't leave any residue on the wall. First, clean the surface. Now remove the liner from the hook and then press it firmly against the wall. And now hang the pictures or create an embroidery hoop gallery wall like this one. You can find the tutorial of this DIY on my Instagram. Link is given below in description box. not use command hooks to hang glass frames or valuable things. Use only light objects like this bamboo Madurga hanging which I got from Handicart. Or you can hang lightweight masks, rope baskets or jewelry. One more option to use these hooks is Polaroid photo wall with string lights, which is quite trendy these days. Use twine and a string light, or maybe string light only, and hang your favorite Polaroid photos using wooden clips, and tada! Here's the mesmerizing result. All my accessories here are from Handicart.
This is sunboard, and that's casing and capping, which is used for electrical works. So here I am using it to make frame because I could not get the white frame in market, so I'm gonna make myself. So I have cut this piece here, and this one I am going to join with the use of glue gun, and the same I am going to do on that side. So the pin board is ready. This base is sunboard, and this frame is made of casing used for electrical works, like to conceal electric wires. And next I would like to show you this. Can you see 3M command strips? Come in different sizes, small, medium and large. This one is small, and I have 4 strips that can hold up to 1.8 kgs weight, and this one is approximately 800 grams. So these strips will definitely hold it. These are the 4 strips, and this is how you have to separate it. On the reverse side you can see there is a liner, and you have to press it gently until it clicks, and once it is set, remove this liner. I have removed only one because first we'll stick this on our frame, and then we'll remove this liner and we'll put it on the wall. One strip I'm going to put here and one here. I'll cover just 2/3 of the length, because once it is attached you just need to pull the lower part to remove it from the wall whenever you want. Yeah, my little helper is also here, and he's going to stick the second strip. Yeah, go ahead, press it firmly. Right, use a thumb. Remove the liner. Yes, and then place it here. Yes, now press it firmly. Yes, correct. Press it firmly. Good. That's it. Now we'll put it on the wall. Yeah, so we are going to put this on wall, and before that I'll just remove all the liners. Is it right in the center?
Yeah.
Once it is up on the wall, you just need to pull and slowly just take it off and leave it just like that for 1 hour, and after that you can hang your picture there. The pin board is ready, and now I'll show you what else we can do with this pin board. So you can put patterned paper here like this one, and using thumbtacks you can pin it on the sunboard just like this, and that's your background is ready, and here you can pin whatever you want. This is how it looks.
You can create a gallery wall using command strips like this one. This picture is shared by Vanita, one of my subscribers. She has created this gallery wall using command strips. Next, I'm talking about the most elegant wall decorating options from PaperLam India. Yes, self-adhesive wallpaper are now available in India too, and renters can decorate their wall without worrying about their security deposit. It's a bit of a splurge, but definitely worth the spend. It's a perfect wall decorating option for renters. Just peel and stick the wallpaper on the wall. First, I tested out the wallpaper whether it leaves residue after removal or not, and it passed. No residue, and paint didn't peel off too.
This is self-adhesive wallpaper that I got from PaperLam. I'll just remove this backing and paste it on the wall. That's it. How easy it is.
I am installing the wallpaper in my son's room. This is the wall. First, I removed the wall decal and then wiped off the wall properly. Take measurement of the wall and cut the wallpaper at least 2-3 inches more. Now remove 2-3 inches of backing along the width and align it on the wall and press it firmly. Now keep removing the backing from both the sides and keep sticking the wallpaper using smoothing tool, or you can use putty applicator. It is so easy to install and edges blend seamlessly. These self-adhesive wallpaper can be used on walls, cabinets, and furniture too. I worked really hard to put together this video for you, and I really hope that you find some ideas to decorate the walls of your rented apartment, and if so, then leave me a word or two in the comments below. And I keep sharing small little DIYs in my Instagram page too, so don't forget to follow me there. And in this video, I just talked about wall decorating ideas for rented apartment, and some other renter-friendly decorating ideas will follow soon. Until then, keep decorating.